Oh, he has a motorcycle. Forget about
He
it.
has motorcycle and that's it.
Who's this for?
Just a second, one at a time.
Who's this for?
Hey, back.
Who's this for, Mommy?
That's for Jack from Santa. If you want to open that one, you can.
I can open this?
Well, yeah, we finished with Bennett, so now it's your turn.
I can open
Yes.
this.
To make a sound?
Make sound. I can open this.
Oh, it's a monster truck.
Well, we got some serious reading material to do.
Oh,
Oh my gosh! How did Santa know you wanted those two books? Not that one.
I don't have this.
No.
Yes, I
No. Return of the Dinobot?
do.
You have that one? You do?
But we didn't. But we don't have it.
Oh, well, maybe Santa didn't know. Okay, what? Bemba's turn now?
Hey, just showing Vanessa window, okay?
Turn.
Lookies, what are you doing?
Mama cycle.
Momo-cycle. That's pretty cool.
Big motorcycle.
Yeah. What'd you get? A bucket of dinosaurs.
We don't
What?
throw any boxes or bags away. Only
Okay.
paper.
But this one.
Yeah, you can throw them away.
Oh, you could also pull.
What did you get, Bennett?
A bucket of dinosaurs.
It's a bucket of dinosaurs. Look, Bennett. Let's open this up. Wait a second.
Is this for me?
Does it say your name?
Yes, it says Jack.
Okay, and it says from Santa.
Does this say Santa?
Yeah.
And this is Jack. I can
It is Jack.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Let's call.
Oh, what I see. How many Legos does Santa brought you?
I get this.
Look at it, look, it turns into three
But
different
there's
things.
look.
It can be this, this, or this.
I can turn into that.
Yeah, you can make three different kinds of things with that.